Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to open a long trade position on ByBit. So before you start using ByBit actually and start executing orders, what you're going to do, or what I advise you to do, is hit more here inside your home dashboard and search for demo trading, right? Because that allows you, even if you are, it allows you for a beginner, especially if you're a beginner in ByBit, to just play around it, like know exactly how to buy, sell, etc. So demo trading gives you that liberty, right? So if you ever considered opening a long position or opening trades or trade position on ByBit, then you need to start using demo trading, or I advise you to use demo trading before you start playing with your money. All right, but if you want to know now how to open long trade position, you're already experienced and actually did some digging, what you could do, you could just go ahead and select your favorite trading pair. And let's say I want to use BTC USDT. Let me find something. Yeah, let me find something here. BTC USDT. Yeah, I'm gonna select the spot trading. So hit start trading here, right? And it's gonna take you, let me go ahead to the spot here at the top. Yeah, this is the BTC USDT that I searched for. Don't worry, it won't take this complicated steps, but all you gotta do is just do searching, do your search, and then you're gonna see, of course, here trade at the bottom middle if you don't know or if you get lost. Now select the amount in Bitcoin or USDT. I could just go ahead and use a percentage, right, to buy Bitcoin, say 50%, right, and select the order value, let's say $15, right, and this is the amount of Bitcoin that you're gonna buy if you enter the USDT, the number or the value in USDT. Of course, you can select buy or sell, right, but in our case we are buying, right, which means we are opening a long position. Right, now basically this is a spot trading, but of course you can choose derivatives, futures, etc. right? So these type of trades right here, you can switch to futures, options, Tradeify, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna stick to spot. Okay, before you execute, hit the TP and SL, because this is really important. You have to add the check mark to TP SL, right, or take profit and stop loss, because that will help you if you're not around your phone or your PC to monitor, of course, that market price. Okay, so you need to add a price which you can tolerate losing some money, right? So if you're buying long position, you have to add a lower price, where you're gonna add, of course, the TP, right? Let's say 14, the stop loss, or excuse me, 55, and the stop loss should be 40, right? I'm just giving you a hypothetical, but in your case, basically, how much are you willing to tolerate? That's the stop loss, and the TP is just how many, or when is enough, basically. Yeah, what's the enough price that you're gonna skim off the top if your prediction went well, right? So once you hit the TP and SL, you're gonna just hit buy, depending, of course, on your order, and basically now you open a long position on ByBit. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.